For step 4, turn your cube around so that white is at the bottom and yellow is on top. Check which pattern you've got, the dot, J, line or cross. Doesn't matter which way you have the cube for the dot. And you perform the same 6 moves to take you through all the stages. If you have the J, make sure it's the correct way around. And the same 6 moves takes you to the line. Again, make sure your line's horizontal. So hold the cube so that the line is horizontal. The same 6 moves takes you to the cross. For the second part of step 4, you will swap the edge pieces so that they match their centers. The 2 correct edge pieces should be at the right and the back of the cube. Perform the algorithm to swap the front and the left ones. Now you've got the yellow cross with all the centers matching.